All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us, still on the matter. Yoruba nation are going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. My brother, my sister, this is another one that is reaching us right now. Sunday Igboho have been called to be very, very careful of the people around him. This one that he has finally gotten final freedom. Hmm. Right now, we thank God Chief Sunday Igboho is now in Germany as he has reunited with his family. It's a good deal. Hmm. A lot of people sensed something. A lot of people have seen that picture. Well, if you were actually following, you will understand. You will notice that there was one afar that was court that actually went to welcome Chief Sunday Igboho. I don't know if he went to welcome him or they came together from Benin Republic. But what we saw this affair with Chief Sunday Igboho in Germany at the airport in Germany. And they're talking about, if you're talking about this affair, we all know him, affair Shittu. Right now, there's been a lot of reactions on social media that what is Alfa Shittu doing with Chief Sunday Igboho at the airport? And then one man has came out. Now he is not happy. He's telling all Yoruba people that all these Alfa you are seeing, they are the enemies of Yoruba nation movement. Then we see no reason why Chief Sunday Igboho will associate himself with such a person. Yes, Alfa Shittu, as you can see on your screen right now, exactly. Yes, that is Alfa Shittu with Chief Sunday Igboho at the airport. Everybody is expressing shock that this same Alfa Shittu was one of the people who came out earlier to tell Chief Sunday Igboho that you should forget about Yoruba nation. That Yoruba nation is not what you will die for. You should forget about it. Knowing fully well that this Alfa Shittu understands the business Chief Sunday Igboho is into. He made it clear on social media that Chief Sunday Igboho is a car dealer. They do the same business together. He's very rich, but he was so shocked that Chief Sunday Igboho took Yoruba Nation movement upon himself to the extent he made it clear that Chief Sunday Igboho should forget about Yoruba Nation movement. Many times, himself and MC Olomo went on phone, according to what he said. He went to meet Chief Sunday Igboho even in detention, according to what Alfa Shittu said earlier, that they went to tell Chief Sunday Igboho that he should forget about Yoruba nation so that he can be freed, that these people will not help him. Now, for everybody to have now seen Alfa Shittu at Germany airport with Chief Sunday Igboho, it has called for a great concern. Everybody is of the opinion that Chief Sunday Igboho, shine your eyes. Be careful that all these people that know Alfa at all is a friend to Yoruba Nation movement. Either you like it or not, this set of people, they are all betrayers. All they want to see is when things are working. Majority of people have been reacting. Somebody made a point that I trust Chief Sunday Igboho, that Chief Sunday Igboho is a wise man, that he knows what he's doing. And someone also reacted that don't say so. Chief Sunday Igboho is somebody that when he sees somebody, he gives his heart, his full heart to someone. He does not know how to keep malice with people. Well, maybe that's why God has chosen him, because somebody like Chief Sunday Igboho is an exceptional person. We all know that. For God to say, I'm choosing you to represent, you understand what that means, and exactly what we're actually talking about. Now, everybody is of the opinion that this time around, Chief Sunday Igboho should shine his eyes. He should shine his eyes so that no Alfa is a friend to Yoruba Nation movement. And the Chief Sunday Igboho is somebody that has taken it upon themselves. If you understand what happened that day, immediately, he has not even gotten home from Germany airport in the car. He was no screaming on top of his voice that yes, oh, Igboho is back again. According to Chief Sunday Igboho, is back again. No going back in Shine. No going back in Ishe. Bá wọn ṣeré o. That's exactly the kind of person Chief Sunday Igboho is. Yes, he has committed himself to this movement. And for somebody like Chief Sunday Igboho to now be entertaining people that are enemy to Yoruba Nation movement is a call for concern, and exactly what the people are talking right now. As you can see on your screen, Alfa Shittu with Chief Sunday Bewar, a lot of people have expressed shocked that what exactly is going on. Everybody is now like, waiting happen from where to where? Why is he that this man is the one that is now so close to Chief Sunday Igboho? And right now, everybody does not want it to happen. That as far as this is concerned, all these affairs are not friend of Yoruba Nation movement. Well, somebody made it clear that, well, I was also shocked when I saw him with CSI. I wasn't sure if is the one until Yeye Dara mentioned him on our program. Chief is a smart guy anyway. God will be with him and his family. Amen. All right. Well, we the Yorubas, we don't no, we don't want one Nigeria again. All we want is Yoruba nation. All right, that's another one. Oh, well, a lot of people are reacting in different forms. That Chief Sunday Igboho needs to be very careful. As far as Yoruba nation movement is concerned, the people are of the opinion that we don't need somebody like Alfa Shittu beside Chief Sunday Igboho. Chief Sunday Igboho needs to wake up because he is an exceptional person. He is an exceptional human being. He needs to wake up and then shine his eyes because this Yoruba nation is still no going back. And somebody was of the opinion that Chief Sunday Igboho needs to take his time. He should rest very well before saying he wants to come to Nigeria. That for now, Chief Sunday Igboho should just be vigilant, that he doesn't trust anybody. I think we are still going to come onto that, aspect of when Chief Sunday will be coming to Nigeria, and then how he has to be very watchful, how he has to be very vigilant. Because right now, we don't know who is who. Fine, Chief Sunday Igboho has gotten freedom to visit any country in the world, but still, he has to be vigilant. All right, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what it is. Onto this one, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.